number 293, question number 17. Receipt payment account for the year ending 31/3/2015 of Shardaben Hospital is as follows. Now it's a hospital. Be careful, it's a very interesting sum. Let's see what we have to do. From the above given receipt payment account and additional information, prepare income expenditure account for the year ending 31/3/2015 and the balance sheet as on that date. So over here we have to make a balance sheet and income expenditure account. Let's start seeing this. Cash on hand, opening cash balance, nothing is to be done. Cross. Subscription, income, donation plus CF, interest on investment, income, charity show, income, special donation for operation theatre. Can I say specific purpose fund? Specific purpose fund, SPF लिख दो. Then government aid, government grant मिला है हमें, इसको हमने क्या लिया है? Income, sale of old newspaper, income, operation theatre construction expense. ये क्या हो जाएगा? Minus हो जाएगा from the donation what we have received. You understood this? All of you understood this? Okay, so वहाँ पे लिख दो minus SPF. Purchase of medicine. Now, purchase of medicine, yes, expense, medicines consumed, we will find. Honorarium, expense, salary, expense, sundry, expense, equipment purchase, asset. Now, you can see cost of equipment below. In additional information, can you see that? Cost of equipment, दिखा सबको? उसको टिक कर दो. Then, charity show expense, expense, subscription expense, fixed deposit with the bank, investment asset, cash on hand asset. Now we have subscription outstanding, opening, closing, previous year, current year, received in advance, previous year, current year, we'll handle that. Stock of medicine. We have opening stock, closing stock. So purchase of medicine के साथ we will do it. Medicines consumed. Then we have building less depreciation. Okay. Investment asset. You write building. Now stock of medicine, closing stock 10,500 will be asset. Subscription outstanding, closing 750 will be asset, and received in advance 300 will be your liability. Subscription को टिक कर दो ऊपर. Investment. Now investment में we will add this fixed deposit. No, we'll show it separately. Not a problem. So investment, asset, capital fund opening balance is already given. Let's make a format of income expenditure and balance sheet. Okay, let's start. Now cash on hand, opening cash balance, we did not do anything. Subscription, buy subscription. Inner column, 75,000. Inner column, 75,000. Now, subscription adjustment, let's do it together only. Now, outstanding of previous year minus outstanding of previous year 450 plus outstanding of current year 750 plus advance received in previous year 150 and minus advance in current year for the next year 300. 75150. Second effect, outstanding subscription, only current year 750, and subscription received in advance, $300. Okay. Next, donation. We add to capital fund. So let's write capital fund opening balance. Capital fund opening balance. $1,62,300. Plus donation 37,500. Interest on investment 7,500. Income by interest on investment 7,500. Charity show income 15,000. Special donation for operation theatre. So after capital fund, leave 4 lines blank. Special donation. Inner column 75,000. Government aid. $22,500. Sale of old newspaper. Buy sale of old newspaper 750. What we will do for purchase of medicine? No. We write what? No. Now it's a hospital. The medicines they are not selling, but they are giving to their patients. So we have opening stock, we have closing stock, and we have medicines purchased. So we will have 2 medicines consumed. यानी कितना यूज हो गया, जितना मेडिसिन यूज हो गया, that is our expense. So opening stock 9,000. Plus purchase 42,000. Do the total 51,000 minus closing stock 10,500. 49,500. Give the second effect.
40,500.
Oh, I'm sorry. $40,500. Then second effect, closing stock of medicine. $10,500. तुझ्या कोने में बैठ. Okay. Then, all of you understood this medicines consumed. In the beginning of the year, I had medicine that I purchased so much. I am left with only 10,500. So 40,500 is what I have consumed. तो जितना consume किया वो हमारा expense. Okay. Next, honorarium to doctors. Salary to salary 27,000 to sundry expense 750. Equipment purchase. So let's go for it. We have equipment. Leave around 3 lines blank for betting. Equipment. We had opening 52,500 plus purchase 33,000. Okay. Now, equipment 52,500 we purchased of 33,000. What are we left with? Closing is 78,000. So what is the balancing? Balancing is depreciation. All of you understood this? Why it is not sale? Why it is not sale? कैसे पता चला कि ये depreciation ही है? क्योंकि अगर sale होता तो receipt payment account में आता, पर यहाँ पे आया नहीं है. So we assume rightfully that this difference is depreciation. So outer column 78,000. So how much?
7,500.
7,500. Give the second effect to depreciation on equipment. Next, charity show expense. To charity show expense. $4,500. Periodical subscription. $4,500. Fixed deposit with the bank. Separately, we'll have to show investment 22,500. Then cash on hand. Building, okay, cash on hand done. Now, stock of medicine, everything done, cost of equipment done, building less debt. Building 60,000 minus depreciation 3,000, 57,000. Second effect to depreciation on building 3,000. Investments 37,500. That's it. Okay, close the sum. See which side is more. Are you getting 4350? Yeah. Okay, write down excess of. What's the total? First of all, 125250 over here. 125250 by excess of expense over income deficit 4350. Subtract minus deficit 195450. Special donation for Operation Theatre 75,000, and here will write Operation Theatre construction expense 60,000, and here it will be 75,000. 2 lakh 277075. You may change it.